Hi, this is eBay ID Air Silks. Welcome back to part 2 of the 2-box break of the Panini Titanium. Um, just move the hits over to here for now. Shouldn't need the scissors. Just for your own reference to make sure you're in the right part 2 video. Here were the winners again. I'll do this really quickly, but it should look familiar too. And we have that second box. Same serial number as before, ending in 9974. We have 5 packs. Empty box. In fact, I do need the scissors. Cut these packs. It's almost July 1st. I hope everyone enjoys free agency. As long as you don't sign Zach Parise. Only kidding. We'll see what happens. Always an exciting time of the year. Well, without any further ado, we have base, 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 and we have a game-worn gear for the Anaheim Ducks, Teemu Selanne. I believe that's the second hit of the Ducks. We're going to be having a recap video as well. For any of your hits, if you want more shipping, like insurance to be added or faster shipping, just let me know as soon as you see the video. Plan on actually shipping these out on Saturday, so you should get these shortly. So we have base, 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 and we have from the Chicago Blackhawks a Patrick Sharp game-worn gear. This one's actually numbered, card numbered 16 out of 50. 2-color patch. So congratulations go out to the Chicago Blackhawks game-worn gear, number 16 out of 50, Patrick Sharp. We're getting lots of game-worn gear here. This one's really thick and actually might not be able to get into a sleeve, so I'll mess with that one later. Okay. So we have here base. We have a rookie numbered out of 100. Colton. I should know people's names. Not familiar with this guy. Colton Savoie, perhaps. From the Dallas Stars. Please forgive my pronunciation. Haven't seen him play yet. Not familiar. Card number 65 out of 100. Spacer. Base. And we have from the New York Islanders, New Wave Auto, Calvin DeHaan. So we got 2 hits in that pack. Islanders, Calvin DeHaan. Two more packs left. Base, base, base. And from the Tampa Bay, we have Game Worn Gear. Tampa Bay Lightning, we have Ryan Malone and Brett Connolly. And it looks like we're numbered 190 out of 300. So nice little hit there for the Lightning. Ryan Malone and I believe rookie Brett Connolly. So I'll put that in the sleeve later. Last pack here. Hopefully it's a big one. Base, base, base. And we have from the Montreal Canadiens again, Lars Eller, Game Worn Gear. So that completes the 2-box break. I'm going to do a little recap right now for those of you that want to stick around or miss the first part of the video. Again, next week I'm going to have some Titanium and SP Authentic and some Rookie Anthology going off in box breaks. I'll let you guys know, but kind of keep a lookout on eBay as well for them. I'd appreciate that, and certainly appreciate your business. If there's any kind of product that you're looking for, even in other sports, let me know. Any kind of suggestions or feedback you have. This is only my 3rd box break, so I'm learning, and I'm sure I'll be better in time. I'd appreciate that as well. In terms of a recap, we have that Lars Eller Montreal Canadiens, not numbered. We have number 190 out of 300 Game Worn Gear, Tampa Bay Lightning, Ryan Malone and Brett Connolly. We have from the Islanders a New Wave Auto, Calvin DeHaan. We have from the Dallas Stars, rookie 65 out of 100. I don't want to botch up his name. Savoie. Don't want to insult my French-Canadian fans up north. We have a numbered 16 out of 50 Game Worn Gear, 2-color patch of Patrick Sharp going to the Chicago Blackhawks. Pretty thick card, as you could see. We have another Game Worn Gear, not numbered, Anaheim Ducks. Teemu Selanne. We have a rookie reserve, number 52 out of 100. Louis LeBlanc. Or maybe they call him Louis LeBlanc. For as big as hockey fan, I should really know these rookies. I haven't seen them play yet. We have a redemption card, Chicago Blackhawks, Brandon Saad. Again, I'll confirm that this is Blackhawks. Positive it is, but just to triple check to make sure that I'm not losing my mind. I'll verify that. We have a private signings, Minnesota Wild, Cal Clutterbuck. We have Jonas Hiller game-worn gear, numbered 26 out of 50, which will go to the Anaheim Ducks. And lastly, we have a game-worn gear, Shane Doan, Phoenix Coyotes. So that's going to end the box break and the recap. Again, you can follow me on Facebook, where I'll announce my breaks. Username of Air Silks. I also created a Twitter handle of Air Silks. And again, I will also try to keep you informed as much as possible on my future box breaks, and keep a lookout for them. The more we could do, the better, for everybody. I participate in other people's box breaks. I noticed two of you guys, I've actually participated in your breaks before, so wanted to get in the mix. Appreciate the business and the quick payment, and I'll get these out tomorrow. And if you have any questions, certainly let me know. And again, thank you, until next time.